At some point, you're going to need to make a drawer for a project. And if you're thinking about this and wondering what's the best way to build them, here's my favorite. I like to just use butt joints between different pieces of 3/4 inch plywood. And then I like to use through dowel joinery. This is a really simple way to make strong joints between your different sections and makes it really easy to get it square. I just use one of these PowerTech doweling jigs. It has two holes perfectly lined up and an alignment panel here. Works pretty well. Not sponsored, but definitely one of those things I think every woodworker should have.